that person that I appreciate even the littlest things. I am very appreciative. That is my nature. I'm sorry. Particular. Please, I have watched reactors who will come back and insult people, insult their life, insult their husband, that they make content doing that they're doing reaction. And then when you give them small insult, just small, even on comment section, when you give them small insult, now so they go they hot, they go they hot. But tomorrow you still on your camera and you still be back, like stabbing people on the back.
Hello, my people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Today, I bring our sister Lilypope come again from our channel. Yes, it's Lilypope. Welcome to this Naija Daughter TV channel. Nothing about what I want to talk about. Lilypope talk about appreciation. She appreciates person when give her a gift and the commenter come for her. And second, the reactor. Which one will first start? Okay, may we start from appreciation. Yes, I'll combine all together for this one video. Is it good to really appreciate when somebody gift you? Now, in fact, now different way to appreciate person. Some people they will gift you. They don't want me to mention their name again. When some they expect me to appreciate them through your platform and through any way. Some people when they don't want me to mention their name, immediately that they gift you. You understand? Immediately that they gift you, they will tell you, say, I don't want me to mention my name for your platform, oh, please. I know say you'll be social media person, you'll be YouTuber, But anybody will not tell you like that. And she knows say you'll be YouTuber. She wants you to appreciate her for your platform. If person appreciate person, you open more door, you open more way for good things to come in. Yes, it's good to appreciate. Appreciate is very, very good. Okay? Comment and when you drop that comment. You say you not come with hate, you not come with quarrel, you come with pics. But our sister look out for the other handle. I understand the comment and when you drop and say, it come be like say, any small thing you go appreciate. Any small thing you go appreciate. They see people like that. That are our commenters. Yeah, they see people like that say, you gift them. Any small thing they will appreciate. It they open more way. It they open more door. When some people say, oh, if I gift her now, if you go measure my name, I no gift her. No, now make me for this life. I don't always talk and say, live your life. Because if you say you want to please one person, you can't please the whole world. You will just please some people. When some people go say they don't accept waiting, that thing. When you fix say you they do the right thing. When you fix say you they do well. One of our big YouTuber, somebody attack and say, you know who appreciate her after everything when she do for him. You see, imagine Lilypope now not still appreciate for that one. Me not really say anything. For that one, it's good to appreciate. Okay, for me, it's good to appreciate. Yes, our comment. I mean, I say they do what when. I mean, I drop. In fact, happy comment, peaceful comment, it really good. Okay, if you go somebody's house, maybe you see say that thing when that person talk. If you want reply now with you just softly avoid that person because your comment na content content. If you drop comment where you not good na content. If you talk about content creator na content, she need to reply to you. Now be that one. Okay, no, now they drop happy comment for us. In fact, if you know say we not be your favorite or you not like us, for you to drop insult comment, just draw your hand. You understand? Shift your hand to the other side. Now this one I get to talk my people. I come with peace. Okay, all our commenter we appreciate and they support us, but to put person in the bad mood for me, good. Okay, we are all human. You'll be like say where you for the work, one particular person always day your name, you always they know they comfortable to they do what you they do. Okay, that one and for that one. Yes, our sister Lilypope about reactor. I for like me I play her voice record before I go dive into the may we talk am.
Even if you give me ordinary toothpick, I go say thank you. Now me, and you can never stop it. So unsubscribe and get out. Unsubscribe and get out.
For that one, he say if person even give her ordinary toothpick, she go appreciate. My sister, if you not tell her to make sure unsubscribe and get out. Abby, I see they use Abby. Abby say, one subscriber mean a lot to her. He say, me na beg. No, in fact, anytime I say she talk when you offend you now, she withdraw. Why you go say unsubscribe and get out? You want hit 4,000. What of one can come for inside 4,000, 40,000? You know, complete sister. YouTube no count as 40. You need to be 40 before YouTube will grant her. You need to be 30 before YouTube will grant. Okay? Yes, if you really hurt you, tell her say it hurt you. Not tell her to make sure you subscribe. You tell her say comment her, please. If you don't want comment, sweetie, no comment. Yes, we are human. Now I be that one. Okay, may we go straight to. I hope now hear her voice.
By saying please, I have watched reactors who will come back and insult people, insult their life, insult their husband, that they make content doing that they're doing reaction. And then when you give them small insult, just small, even on comment section, when you give them small insult, now so they go they hot. But tomorrow you still on your camera and you still be back, like stabbing people on the back.
come? Come. Hmm? Who dey back now? Tell us who dey back. Person just drop comment for you. Say that comment, e no make you eat for in fact 2 days. E no make you feel your vibe for 2 days. Comment oh. Okay, you dey say reactor. You say one particular this reactor. Say if they drop am, comment, e go dey, dey back, e go dey talk, e go dey shout. You dey drop you comment now say, in fact, you're all too much with appreciator. E come with peace oh. You come on your camera, then you attack the person. Now you say reactor, say common comment. I no understand oh. You dey react to common comment. You say reactor dey react to common comment. Who insult your husband? My beautiful sister Lilypope. Let me tell you this one. In fact, all the big YouTuber, yes, I beg, me una beg. If na me offend you now, me una no dey use my own take dey rub everybody. Call me. Now dey forbid say you call my name for your channel. Naija Daughter TV, Naija Daughter. That word when you talk, I not take am oh, I not do this oh. You go mention my name. Then I go on my camera. If not to apologize, I go apologize to you. Say, my sister Lilypope, please, I'm sorry. Or this person, please, I'm sorry. I don't know say the thing go hurt you like that. I don't say I'm But as you they generate all the reactor, nobody go know. This one go say I be na me. This one go say I know say no be me, sha. As you come, they call all reactor. Good. It don't make sense. It just be like now say you do something. Then as we call they generate all the big YouTuber, person like you go come out. You go say I beg, address us well. Mention one person name because you be big YouTuber. Yes, whether you like it or not, you be big YouTuber. Compared to me, you are a big YouTuber. You understand? When you start, I never start. You are a big YouTuber. Imagine what they say all the big YouTuber of Oka. Not be Oka you say yes now. All the big YouTuber of Oka, mostly the big one. How you go feel? You don't feel happy. Maybe we tell ourselves the truth. You understand? And for me, some of the reactor when they watch, I never hear the one when they don't insult person. Maybe not be the one why they watch. I never ever one day hear one person go they insult person husband. When you bring your husband come out, many of us like me, I just talk to your husband. I say make he try understand. Say you are mother of two. One self not easy talk of two. When you say me you carry him along. Other of our sister they react to you say you for not doing well carry your husband come out. No home when misunderstanding not dey. For you to carry your husband come outside, many women, many mothers, many ladies they say and say no, you're not doing well. Okay, where the for insult your husband, please, if you feel dig that video, come outside. Not that I play your voice record just now. If you can prove that kind of person where insult your husband, come outside. We go really appreciate it and we'll grab and say, this person, you they react. Not be say you go insult person husband, but not be say you just sit down. You say person, no proof of person say they insult your husband. Maybe the person voice no. Now make sometimes with the reactor, it's good to still play their voice record because if it happen say they'll say they're not talking. But once you play their voice record, I think they don't feel deny their voice. They don't feel denied like comments now. Comments, I drop you comments. You want to do something. That one feel no. I don't know how to put it. I feel escape you, but all those their voice record is good. If now react to you when insult you and you want to retaliate, please pick their small voice note. That particular part, pick and use and talk. Not be say you just on your camera say this reactor, if they start person, who they start person for back. I beg my people. All those one are just to bring hate or bring problem for where people not dey. For me, since I start to they do react to people video, talk about people video. For there, I deep to the watch more my fellow reactor video. Yes, I love to watch my fellow reactor video, but this your part where you say that they insult person husband. I never meet that kind of reactor. Maybe I know they watch that person. That is why you need to be measure the person. You talk and say, now you, so person like this, Naija Daughter. I'll continue to mention my name because I be Naija Daughter. Naija Daughter, that reacts. You understand? Many people see the who they throw back for us. Many people they this street is hot, so it hot. So people they go to carry your picture. In fact, Lambos, what do you want to talk now? Me not the cause though. I know the cause. Maybe if I use mistake cause anybody or talk to wrongly, I will draw my word. But for me, my react not be to cause, not to talk the part when I know say it good for my own, not be for everybody. I thought talk and say it good for my side, but for other people's side, maybe it not good. You understand? And this one I get to talk. My sister Lilypope, please, when you want address maybe any YouTuber, because when we want address any big YouTuber, we already put in a picture, put in a name, to know say na you with the talk. As I do the video now, I go put your name, put your picture. You understand? If you want to talk to any reactor, please try and put that person picture, put that person name. You don't get anything will come up for your body. Yes, you don't get anything. When see by putting people comments, putting people picture, putting people anything for your platform. If your audience, you not tell your lovers, the one wey you love well say, please go and subscribe to this my friend, they no dey subscribe, but me I just tell you, me una no dey fear. If you bring person come your channel, you woto am. If you not tell them say you like on your lover, they no subscribe to am, they will just go view am. Now let that view, they no go there. Okay, me una no dey fear say we will pack una subscriber. No, now me una dey give us the credit. By giving us the credit, put our picture. If na me insult you, biko, put my picture. I go really do appreciate am. I go appreciate am. Say, okay, na me they talk to them. I will have the Z, I be the vibe to come out to defend myself. That's what it's supposed to be. Okay, my sister, we love you. As far as you are a human being, when God creates with your own image, we don't have right to say we don't love anybody. Me, I love you. I like you. Okay. If I talk anything when you don't like, address me. Sit down your platform. Address. Okay, I will learn from there. Without you not talk to me, you the true word. I know feel learn, and I know feel realize my mistake. We are born to make mistake, and we are born to adjust, to correct our mistake. Okay, my sister Lilypope. Now this one I get to talk. Appreciation is very, very good. You open more door for blessing, for good things. Okay, appreciation is very good. And our commenters, Biko, you know, see, and our sister say, commenter go give out to this reactor. Reactor will come outside, go to give her, and commenter still give out to her now. This word not correct. In fact, it's not complete too. This word get as it be. Reactor still. First, they say, I dey forbid rabbits, and they cook the rabbits. You go use the water to cook food, and you eat the food. You say you know if you bite the rabbit. What will be the difference? My sister Lilypope say, commenters go comment for this our reactor person. He say go carry the comment, go use and react. Commenter comment for her own comment section. She still use and react. Hey, I beg, I come with peace. So as that commenter talk, no, not come for me. Now my own I talk. I still drop my own opinion because I'm waiting my channel day about with that. I'm here to talk. I'm here to talk. Okay, my sister Lilypope, all of us we love you. We are one. You know this the street. It hurts. That's why I like editorial for one. Editorial say, my sisters, you will understand the street in the hot. I bring out, una take. Una talk, me I still bring out. Now we know this one, the feed. Not mean bad. Lilypope, that's supposed to be. Comment for you use and talk. React or comment for she use and talk. Now the same thing. Okay? If anybody is such your husband, attack that person by sitting down your platform, put the person picture so that everybody, including me, the reactor, I will use and react. Yes. If I hear something like that, I'll come and say, my sister, I'll play that particular voice when you play. I'll play it for my channel. At least many people will take and not be just say, no, not they talking like that. Okay, people. Okay, we love you as a child of God. Okay, as you go your room. When you go film for your room. Daddy say, when you go your room. Daddy say, go your room film. Go film for them. And they do one. They do one. My sister Lilypope. They do one. I joined daddy for that one. They do one. They go your room. They go your film room. Go film for there. I know say sometimes we dey tire, but me, I'm not tired reach am o. Except I want to audio voice. I feel like that. Say, please, my people, don't forget to subscribe. Join this beautiful family, okay? Join this beautiful family. Correct me with love, not with hate, okay? Drop your comment. What do you think about? Is it good to appreciate? Appreciation, is it good? React to react and talk about reactor. About those big YouTubers. I think it's good to make them mention our name, the person, the particular person. Make they don't just say every reactor. What you think about that? Una be our viewer, our commenter. Please, I want that part. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.